Wagi wa mbura ni utanyitwo guthie na mbere bururi-ini na gukinyiria imera ithano cia mbura guthata undu uria utigite akenya mirioni 4.3 na ng'aragu. Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya kuhurana na ng'aragu Peter Ndegwa cakaite namba ya akenya aria makurirwo maitho no wagi wa irio na mai ni kuongerereka nginyagia mirioni 3. Kimera kia mbura kia mweri wa gatatu nginyagia wa gatano gia thata.
Almost 940,000 children are suffering from acute malnutrition, whilst about 130,000 lactating mothers are facing malnutrition.
Akiaria hindi ya kigomano kia ruhonge rwa kimabururi UN, munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua igite ng'aragu ino icungiriire ikuũ cia mahiu na njira nene na kurehe hathara ya muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 100.
Kenya has consecutively missed 5 rain seasons. We are deep into the longest drought in 4 decades. As a result, more than 5 million Kenyans are facing starvation in 31 counties across the country.
It is 2.5 million livestock that has been lost, which is estimated to be about $1 billion, which is more than 100 billion Kenya shillings.
Gachagua ni ikirie ihoya kuri mabururi maria mari rungu rwa ruhonge rwa kimabururi UN guteithiria Kenya na muigana wa ciringi bilioni 57.
While we appreciate the UN family and other national and international non-state actors for their support of the more than 47.8 billion Kenya shillings towards emergency response in the past few months, the situation is dire.
Na njira ya guthara akenya kamiti ya kuhurana na ng'aragu rungu rwa Ndegwa ni hithurite ni unganitie muigana wa ciringi mirioni 650 mieri 2 kuma yombo ni President William Ruto.
By the end of this month, we'll have reached 300,000 beneficiaries through food initiatives. We aim to raise to hit the 1 billion mark in terms of the money that we have raised.
Na niguo kuihuririria gikabu giki akenya ni moritio macange kireme na kio kamiti ino riu ikinyitanira na ene nyumba cia mohoro kumemerekia mitaratara ira irathi na mbere na kugathikwo kuhurana na ng'aragu ino.
It only takes 2,500 per month to provide food for an affected family.
Pay bill number 880990, and if you can start that now, you can send 10 shillings, you can send 100 shillings, you can send 1,000 shillings. All that will go a long way to linda wa Kenya wenzetu.
Tiga micango Ndegwa ni ahithurite kamiti yake ni kwendekithia bata wa bururi kuyukia motungata ma insurance kugitira akenya kumana na ugwati wa ucenjia wa riera.
If you have communities that will naturally be affected by drought and insurance is an option, then we should be considering that, but as a long term solution.
Ng'aragu ino tiga kunyarira andu na mahiu. Gachagua oigite makiria ma nyamu cia githaka 1,180 ni cikuite DA-ini citiganite, 262 ari njogu riu thirikari ikihuthira muigana wa ciringi mirioni 360 thiini wa mieri 3 gucihe mai na irio.
Wildlife, one of our leading foreign exchange earners, has also not been spared. The drought is threatening to drive the world's heritage, the wildlife, to oblivion.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiku.